Karnataka High Court ordered app-based ride-hailing services to stop offering bike services of taxi while allowing them a 6-week time to cease operation. Executive at these platforms said they are considering appealing the ruling. Justice B.M. Shama Prasad ruled that bike taxis cannot operate until state government frames rules under Section 93 of Motor Vehicles Act 1988 and Act of Parliament, disposing of petitions from aggregators Rapido, Uber India, and Ola. Petitions had sought directions to government to issue them aggregator license and register their bike taxis as transport service. In 2021 July, state government had issued order restricting bike taxi services and platforms filed a petition in High Court opposing this. In interim, High Court asked the state authorities to not take any action against platforms until matter was heard. Justice Shyama Prasad asked platforms to cease their operations in 6 weeks and directed government to ensure all such operations ceased after this period. Court allowed 3 months time to government to consider appropriate regulation. Transport Minister Ramalinga Reddy said, while welcoming judgment, app-based platforms have been operating in absence of any regulation, raising concern about safety of people using these services. He added that he will respond after studying the judgment. We will be appealing the order. Central government has clarified that motorcycles fall within the definition of contract carriage as per the Motor Vehicles Act, a senior executive at one of ride-hauling firms said. While central government rules allow bike taxi operations, it is upon individual states to declare their legality given transportation is a state subject. Uber and Ola did not comment on the development. Rapido person said Karnataka-born Rapido is concerned about welfare of lakhs of bike taxi captains onboarded on the platform and will pursue appropriate legal remedies once the detailed order is made available. During hearings, Rapido told court its operations have played key part in Karnataka's transportation system with more than 10 lakh bike taxi riders and around 20 lakh rides every week.